Halo, good morning, selamat pagi, apa kabar? How are you today? I hope you are great all. Saya berharap kalian baik-baik saja, even also during this pandemic, walaupun pandemik, I hope you are safe and health. Selalu sehat, oke? Okay? I don't want something happen to you, ya. Saya tidak mau kalian terjadi apa-apa di saat pandemi ini. So, kita harus banyak berdoa supaya kita dalam keadaan sehat selalu, bukan hanya kita but also your family. I pray to you and your family are great all. Dan semoga pekerjaan kalian juga lancar, banyak berkat rezeki yang luar biasa. Well, what are you going to do now? Yeah, blank. Have a look your screen now. Is it blank? Yes, blank. Yeah. So what are you going to do? What are we going to do now? Who can guess? Siapa yang bisa nebak? Ayo, okay. Yeah. For today information, I'm gonna share to you the information about okay, tips for a job interview. I think this is very important to all of you who are looking a job right now, atau kalian yang baru lulus senior high school or fresh graduate from university. I think this is a very important part uh, to memorize, to prepare yourself. Karena ketika kita ketemu interviewer, kesan pertama selain penampilan, juga kata-kata yang keluar dari uh, mulut kita itu pertanda pengetahuan kita dinilai dari ucapan yang kita sampaikan, ya. So this is the tips for a job interview. I hope this is useful to you, ya. If you think that this important also to you, to your family, to your friend, just share this video, ya. Silahkan di share kalau ini juga penting untuk teman-teman kalian, ya. Oke, ini tips ini saya sering lakukan ketika saya ada panggilan kerja dulu-dulu, ya. Dan setiap saya dipanggil, ya, selalu diterima, ya. Puji Tuhan, alhamdulillah, ya, selalu diterima. Dan I hope so. If you use these tips, ya, I hope you are accepted soon, ya. Kalian bisa diterima sesegera mungkin. Well, tanpa berpanjang lebar lagi, we go to the next slide. Here we go. Ya. Much better starting introduce yourself. Mention your name, although the interviewer has your name on your CV. Yeah, this is very important for the first impression. Yeah, after you have a seat, setelah duduk, ya salaman lah. After that, mention your name directly. Yeah. Later, I'm gonna explain to you. I'm gonna elaborate. Yeah. In the below. Okay, after this one, maybe you can do this, the second part. Tell where you live now, ya. Ya, katakan kamu tinggal di mana, ya, harus disampaikan, ya. Jadi ini step-step untuk kalian mungkin bisa diterima selain pengetahuan umum yang lainnya, ya. Ini untuk ke step selanjutnya. Kalau kalian interview lolos, berarti ada lagi step selanjutnya, mungkin psikotes. Setelah itu tes lagi kepada user kalian. Misalnya kalian sebagai accounting, nanti user yang mau pakai kalian tuh akan mentes kalian lagi. Tapi tips yang pertama ini, tips yang saat interview di awal ini sangat penting untuk go to the next level, ya, go to the next step. Well, after you tell where you live now, you have to mention in a good order, ya. Then tell briefly the information about your education. Yeah, this is very important as well. You mention your the name of your university, the name of your school. For example, like I graduated from senior high school 57 misalnya. Saya lulusan dari SMA 57 jurusan bahasa Indonesia misalnya, atau jurusan IPA and so on. Or I graduated from Indonesia University, my majoring in bla bla bla, jurusan saya IT dan lain-lain. Kenapa penting? Karena kesan pertama itu, wah, jurusan ini yang kita butuhkan. Pasti interviewernya akan langsung berpikir, oh ini yang kita butuhkan untuk go to the next steps. Okay. Then tell your experience or experiences if you have it or some. Kalau kalian punya pengalaman yang bukan fresh graduate ya. Kalau fresh graduate tidak perlu sebutkan pengalaman. Tapi kalau misalnya kalian ada pengalaman job training, or if you have any like PKL ya, just mention saya pernah PKL di perusahaan ini selama 3 bulan, itu akan menjadi nilai plus untuk kalian, kemungkinan bisa diterima. Atau jika kalian punya pengalaman yang lain ya, yang real experience, like I ever work at, mention the name of the company ya, sebutkan nama perusahaannya. After that mention how long have been, setelah berapa lama sudah bekerja di sana, mention. Then explain, insert on your family details. Yeah, this is also very important. Yeah, the interviewer directly think about you. Oh, you are the first in your family, or you are the second in your family. So maybe it will affect to your working later. Itu akan mempengaruhi pekerjaan kalian. Kalau misalnya misalnya oh anak pertama, oh ini berarti bagus nih memaintain. Ini opini saya ya, this is my opinion ya, nggak selalu benar ya. Misalnya nih, oh anak pertama biasanya memaintain adik-adiknya, jadi kemungkinan the interviewer directly think about, oh you are the first in your family, or maybe you are you have, kamu punya capability to maintain your working ya. I usually I used to use these tips when I have an interview from company, from another company. When I have a job interview, I usually do these tips in the beginning. Example, this is the example after I have a seat, and I directly introduce myself. Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for having me now. My name is Ronald. I live in Kedoya, for example. Don't ever say I live in Jakarta, because you are in Jakarta right now, or I live in Medan. No, because you are in Medan. So mention the part. Mention the part you live right now in Jakarta. For example, Kedoya. Some candidates only mention Jakarta or Medan or Semarang or Surabaya and so on. It's better to mention the area, Kedoya, for example. And after that, I graduated from 57 Senior High School. I graduated from Bina Sarana Informatika, my majoring in Informatika Technology, or for example like that, or Management Informatika, or accounting. Then if you do not have any experience or experiences, just skip it and directly explain your family details. But otherwise, if you have any experience or experiences, like kamu punya pengalaman saat PKL, sebutkan aja, saya PKL di PT ini selama 3 bulan, for example like that. After that, after you mention your experience or experiences, mention your family details. I live with my parents, or I live with my sisters, or I live with my brother. And then mention I have 2 sisters, or I have 1 brother, for example like that. After that, maybe another question come from the interviewer. Just answer, the interviewer question, yeah, to improve your change to do the next steps of interview, ya. Jadi jawab secara singkat pertanyaan interview setelah ini dilakukan. Saya rasa semoga ini bermanfaat buat kalian, dan satu hal saya akan doakan supaya kalian bisa diterima bekerja, apalagi ketika kalian nonton video ini, ya. I hope we can see in another video. Please subscribe this channel A3S, ya. Silahkan di subscribe channel A3S to get more interview, more videos from me, ya. And see you for now. Goodbye.